This air fryer turkey leg recipe is great for 2 reasons. One, it's obviously a great way to make extra dark meat for Thanksgiving or Christmas. And 2, I think it's a really good main dish for game day. So I'm going to take you start to finish and show you how to make these turkey legs in the air fryer. The first thing that you need to do is brush it all over with some melted butter or olive oil. I find the results to be kind of similar using either of those. And then you want to really layer on your favorite seasoning. So if you want to make this a Disney copycat air fryer turkey leg recipe, you could use some barbecue rub or just use your favorite turkey rub or poultry seasoning. Anything you have in your pantry would probably work. So these are going to take on a lot of flavor and they're going to cook in a really short time in the air fryer. You only need about 15 to 20 minutes. And you just want to make sure you use an internal read thermometer to make sure they're done. Look how crispy and nice the skin is, and the inside is so tender. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!